Most of the time, you guys aren't overeating, you're actually under-eating. With the RMR test, we can tell how much you require using science exactly for fat loss or for building muscle. 9 times out of 10 clients tend to be under-eating for their specific goal. So that's why the RMR test is super important for any goal that you might have, especially maintenance too. For me, I knew I was under-eating. I actually had done the RMR test in the past. I didn't know that over time it changed significantly. So it took me about a year to find out that I was not really gaining muscle at the rate that I was looking for. So now knowing my true RMR, it's helping me get muscle gain, which is what I'm looking for, and I can transition into fat loss at any time.